how to find your Terraria world files. So first open up your file manager, then open up your local disk or your C drive, then go to users, then go to your username, then go to documents, click on my games, then you will see the Terraria folder right there. So click on that, then click on worlds, then you should see it right here. So if you don't see any files right here, it means that your worlds are currently saved to the Steam cloud. So if you want to move it back, you just basically need to open up your Terraria, go to select world right here, and find your world in the list right here. Then find this like cloud icon, then just click on move off cloud. And after you click on this, it should automatically appear in the folder right here. So you just simply need to click on refresh to see it right here. But if you don't want to move them off the cloud, you can just basically find the cloud copy right here on your local disk again. Then go to program files 86, then go to Steam, find user data right here. So just choose the Steam ID that you will use. So for me, it's this one. Then click on this number right here, which is 105600, which is basically the Steam app ID for Terraria. Then click on remote, click on worlds, then you will see all of your worlds right here. And that is how you basically find your Terraria world files.